Thinkcar T780 Product Usage Tutorial. First, locate the connection positions of the transmission's oil inlet and outlet pipes on the vehicle and make the connections. Pays on the vehicle and make the connections. Connection positions of transmission oil inlet and outlet pipes. Generally, the connection pipe is located under the hood or beneath the vehicle. Select the appropriate connector for your vehicle from the toolbox. Connect the equipment's connecting pipe to the connector. Connect the equipment's battery clips to the car battery to supply power to the equipment. Turn on the device switch to start using it. Part 1. Intelligent User Guide. Before operating this function, you can first access the Intelligent Cleaning and Washing section to view data, obtain the connector model, and get recommendations on the amount of oil to be added. Click Intelligent to enter. Car Brand Selection Interface. Select the car brand and model to enter. Select the corresponding vehicle model to enter the Intelligent Oil Change interface. Click Next. The connector model of the car will be indicated here. Recommended cleaning time and oil change quantity. After setting the cleaning time and oil change quantity, click the Run button to start the intelligent oil change. Part 2. Clean Operation Tutorial. Click Clean to enter. First, set the cleaning time. Click Run. After clicking Run, immediately go to the driver's seat of the car and step on the accelerator once while the car is idle. Then get out of the car to check whether the machine is operating and whether there is any oil leakage from the pipeline. Part 3. Charge Operation Tutorial. Click Charge to enter. Please note that when adding new oil, the set value must not exceed the storage capacity of the new oil tank. After setting the value for adding new oil, click Run. Part 4. Recovery Operation Tutorial. Click Recovery to enter. Select the used oil tank. Click Run. Here it will prompt to open the drain valve. Pull down the red handle and align it with the pipe to open it. Confirm that the drain valve is open and the pipeline is placed in the oil receiving tank, then click Yes. Part 5. Emptying Operation Tutorial. Click Emptying to enter. Select New Oil Tank. Click Run. Here, it will prompt to open the drain valve. After confirming that the drain valve is open and its pipeline is placed in the oil receiving tank, click Yes. Part 6. Language Settings Operation Tutorial. Click Setting to enter. Click Language. After selecting the language you need, click Back to complete the process.